this is not the ISS. It takes more time to get these high-res images down. But are you guys seeing live videos in the control room before we do? And if so, why can't y'all share that data in real time? And we appreciate, being able to see it as it approached the moon, but now and at other times, I guess, why not share, even if it is low res and not the greatest quality, why not just put that all out there for everyone to see so that, fans of Artemis can follow along live and in real time? Thank you.
All right, thanks for the question, Kristen. So as far as this morning, the images, again, so at the closest approach, the moon facing the Earth part was in darkness, so we don't expect to get very good, clear images of the moon while it was coming into view. But we will downlink those particular high-res videos that we took continuously, both when we were on the backside of the moon and as we were coming through. So it will take us a few days to get those particular images done. The question earlier was about, can we get specific images of the Apollo 11 site? And again, during return power flyby, we expect the Earth-facing part of the sun, of the moon to be in sunlight, and so we will get pictures that will be much better. And it'll be a couple of days after RPF that we will downlink those videos. As I mentioned, Kristen, we did not expect to be able to see live stream video at the same time we're doing all of our file downlinks, and so this was something new that we just learned a day or two ago that we would be able to do. And so as soon as we were able to downlink live stream video of somewhat low res quality, still as you see from the video that we put out on NASA TV, it was still pretty spectacular. But now that is going to be the new normal. We will live stream camera data because we have now figured out that we have the ability to do that and downlink all of our data in high-res resolution data at the same time. So we will put that, and I think they put a website out here where you can go ahead and view that live stream data all the time. So as soon as we have data that we're streaming, we'll send it out to the web so you guys can see it.
And I'll just pile onto that one, Kristen. We will absolutely share more imagery from what we saw today during the outbound powered flyby and the close approach to the moon. As I was leaving the Mission Control Center to head over here today, I'm walking down the hall and I had somebody grab me and say, "Hey, Mike, you need to see this." And they walked me up to a computer, and it was our imagery integration team, and they showed me 4 images of the Orion spacecraft with the solar array wingtip, its service module in the foreground, and then very high resolution images of the moon where it's getting larger and larger and larger, and you could see the curvature of the trajectory and as the spacecraft approached the moon, and you could see individual surface features on the moon, craters and just little contours. That was as I was headed over here, and that is yet to come. So we've got a lot more. We just need to get it off the spacecraft, and then we need to get it through the compliance processes and then the distribution process here on the ground. So there's really kind of 2 buffers. One is it's recorded on board if it is not broadcast in real time, and then once it gets to the ground, it is archived, number one, and then it's distributed, and then we go through a screening process here, and then it hits the street for folks to view. So just be patient with us as we go through those processes. There is much more to come. It may have been yesterday's news, but when we get it to the ground, we get it distributed, it'll be the first time everybody sees those images, and I can't wait to see more of what we've captured.